Welcome to today's class. Hi, my name is Mario, and in this video we're going to talk and to learn how to use in Spanish him or her. Because in Spanish it's lo, la, los, and las. But how can I use it in Spanish in a conversation? So in this video again we're going to learn how to use it. But before to start, I want to say thank you very much to all the people that are joining our program. Because we're very happy because we designed all this content for you, and we are very happy to have you here with us. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, below this video there is a link that's going to show you all the details of our online program. So thank you very much again to all our new students, and let's start to this video. So how I said, how to use lo or la or los or las in Spanish, that in English sometimes is her or him. Before to start, we need to know that is 4 points to know about how to use it. The first thing we need to know is that lo, las, los, and las is the pronombres de objeto directo. The direct object pronouns are words that make the language shorter. They help us not to repeat the same word in a conversation. They have a direct relationship with the verb. It can replace an object or a person. The direct object pronouns are in Spanish is lo, la, los, and las. These indicate the gender and the number of the word they replace. Lo, it's masculine and singular. La, it's feminine and singular. But los, it's masculine and plural. And las, it's feminine and plural. They go before the conjugate verb. For lo, for example, es el abrigo. And for las, son las camisas. Let's see an example. ¿Te gusta este abrigo? Sí. ¿Lo tienes en rojo? For example, tengo muchos amigos en el trabajo. Los veo todos los días. But please pay attention to these 3 words because we have an exception. The first one is gustar, encantar, and interesar. With these verbs, we cannot use pronouns because the noun has the function as a subject. We can omit it, but not replace it with a pronoun. For example, ¿te gustan los gatos? Sí, me gustan. We can say, sí, me los gustan. So, please pay attention with these 3 verbs when you're going to use in a conversation. Again, gustar, encantar, and interesar. So this is the way how to use him or her in Spanish. That in Spanish is lo, la, los, and las. I hope you are enjoying this video. I am so happy to share with you all this information. Below this video there is a lot of information about how to practice these important things. Don't forget watch this video because there is a lot of information about how to improve your Spanish and how to learn better Spanish or any other language that you want to learn. Thank you very much again for watching this video. My name is Mario and I'm so happy to have you here with us. See you the next time. Hasta luego.